Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install any FitGirl game correctly in 2025. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. You just need to go to virus and threat protection and select manage settings and turn off the real-time protection and select yes. And now just to minimize this and double click on the setup and select yes. Select the language and select OK. Just select this music to turn off the music, and if you have under 8 GB of RAM, then you just need to check mark this limit the installer to 2 GB of RAM usage, and then make sure nothing is running in the background and select next and select next. Select the location where you want to save this game and select next, and check all these boxes and select the install option, guys. After the game installation done, uncheck this option, guys. Open this site, redirect to the site, and then select the finish option. Now you just need to open the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder, guys. I saved in C drive games, and here is the game folder. After selecting it, select folder option. And now the game has been added to this list. Then go back and turn on the real-time protection. And now everything is fine. Just to close stuff here and wait for this to get done. As you can see, all files are okay and there is no missing or bad files is listed. And then just to close stuff here and install these. If you already has this Visual C++, you get this error, guys, setup failed. This is no problem. Press any buttons. And as you can see, the game starts without having any problem. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.